Pass the royal tissues please. Meghan Markle and Prince Harry arrived in Wellington, New Zealand after a 3-hour flight from Sydney, Australia, to kick off the final leg of their 16-day tour, and the crowds were just as crazed as they were in Melbourne to meet them. After the couple visited the Pukeahu National War Memorial to pay their respects at the tomb of the unknown warrior, a symbol of remembrance for all New Zealanders who did not make the journey home after serving their country overseas, they met with crowding lines of well-wishers, including a teenage fan who started sobbing once she met expectant mom Meghan. The fan burst into tears as Meghan approached her, and the royal was seen comforting her by holding her hands. Absolute hysteria here in Wellington, including a sobbing fan who was comforted by the Duchess herself, tweeted Royals reporter Natalie Oliveri. Meghan spent quite a while talking to the crying teen, one of the sweetest moments on the royal altar so far. This isn't the first fan outburst the couple has encountered during their tour. Another fan broke down in very happy tears after Harry pulled her in for a sweet embrace in Melbourne. Prince Harry just hugged me, 19-year-old India Brown told the Herald Sun. I've loved that family since I was 8, and I followed them around the world. It was just such an opportunity and I just went for it, Brown told the outlet. I didn't expect it to happen because it's actually against protocol. I said I know it's against royal protocol, but can I please have a hug? Brown recounted. He hugged me and I burst into tears. He just said, "Oh, you're going to get me in trouble." A welcome reception was hosted by Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern and Governor Dame Patsy Reddy at Government House in Wellington for the royal pair, where Meghan gave a speech to celebrate New Zealand's 125th anniversary of women's suffrage.